Antarctica, a vast icy wilderness. It lies at the bottom of the world, a continent shrouded in legend and mystery. Surrounded by the Southern Ocean, Antarctica is a place of incredible beauty and harsh extremes. It is the coldest, windiest and driest continent on Earth. Yet despite these challenges, life finds a way. Antarctica is a continent of contrasts. Towering glaciers carve their way through mountains, reaching towards the sea. Icebergs, sculpted by wind and waves, drift silently across the ocean. The silence can be deafening, broken only by the occasional crack of ice or the cry of a seabird. But beneath this stark beauty lies a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Antarctica is a continent for explorers and dreamers, a place where the boundaries of human endurance are tested. It is a place of scientific discovery, where researchers from around the world come to study the planet and its history. And it is a place that holds the key to understanding the future of our planet. Antarctica is a continent of extremes. Temperatures can plummet to -80 degrees Celsius or lower. Winds can howl across the ice at speeds of over 320 kilometers per hour. And precipitation is almost non-existent, making Antarctica the driest continent on Earth. These extreme conditions make life in Antarctica a constant challenge. Exposure to the cold can be deadly, and the lack of precipitation makes finding fresh water a constant concern. But life has adapted to these harsh conditions in remarkable ways. Animals have developed thick layers of blubber to insulate themselves from the cold. Some, like the emperor penguin, huddle together for warmth. Others, like the Weddell seal, have developed the ability to slow their heart rate and reduce their metabolism to conserve energy. Humans have also found ways to survive in this extreme environment. Scientists and support staff at research stations rely on specialized clothing, heating systems, and carefully planned logistics to endure the long, dark winters. Life in Antarctica is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of both humans and animals. Living and working in Antarctica is a unique experience. It requires a special kind of person, someone who is adaptable, resourceful, and resilient. Life at a research station is unlike anything most people have ever experienced. The isolation of Antarctica is both a challenge and a reward. Cut off from the rest of the world, researchers and support staff form close bonds. They rely on each other for companionship, support, and even survival. The sense of community is strong. Daily life revolves around work and research. Scientists spend their days collecting data, conducting experiments, and studying everything from the atmosphere to the marine ecosystem. Support staff keep the station running smoothly, ensuring that everyone has food, water, and power. Life in Antarctica is not without its challenges. The long hours of darkness during the winter can take a toll on mental health. The lack of fresh fruits and vegetables can lead to nutritional deficiencies, and the extreme environment is a constant reminder of the fragility of life. Antarctica is a giant natural laboratory. Scientists from around the world come here to study climate change, geology, marine biology, and a host of other disciplines. The continent's unique environment provides a window into the Earth's past, present, and future. One of the most important areas of research in Antarctica is climate change. The continent is warming at an alarming rate, causing glaciers to melt and sea levels to rise. Scientists are studying these changes closely to understand their impact on the planet. Another important area of research is marine biology. The Southern Ocean is home to a rich diversity of life, including whales, seals, penguins, and krill. Scientists are studying these creatures to learn more about their behavior, ecology, and conservation. Antarctica is also a valuable source of information about the Earth's history. Ice cores drilled from the continent's ice sheet contain a record of past climate conditions going back hundreds of thousands of years. By studying these ice cores, scientists can learn about the Earth's climate history and how it has changed over time. Section 5. Emperors of the Ice. No animal embodies the spirit of Antarctica quite like the emperor penguin. The tallest and heaviest of all penguin species, emperor penguins are a testament to the power of adaptation. They survive and thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Emperor penguins have a remarkable life cycle. They breed during the Antarctic winter when temperatures plummet and the sun disappears for months on end. The males incubate the eggs, balancing them on their feet to keep them off the ice. For 2 months, the males huddle together for warmth, enduring blizzards and sub-zero temperatures. They do not eat during this time, losing almost half their body weight. When the chicks hatch, the females return from the sea, bringing food. Emperor penguins are highly social animals, relying on each other for survival. They huddle together for warmth, take turns caring for their chicks, and work together to find food. Their survival is a testament to the power of cooperation. Section 6. Seals of the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica is home to a variety of seal species, each with its own unique adaptations for survival. From the massive elephant seal to the agile crab-eater seal, these creatures are perfectly suited to life in this icy world. Leopard seals are the apex predators of the Antarctic ecosystem. With powerful jaws and sharp teeth, they prey on penguins, fish, and even other seals. Their sleek bodies and powerful flippers make them incredibly agile in the water. Weddell seals are perfectly adapted for life under the ice. They have incredibly strong teeth, which they use to scrape breathing holes in the ice. They can stay submerged for up to an hour, hunting for fish and squid in the dark depths. Elephant seals are the largest of all seals, with males reaching up to 6 meters or 20 feet in length. They spend most of their lives at sea, but come ashore to breed and molt. During the breeding season, males engage in fierce battles for dominance. Section 7. Beneath the ice. While the surface of Antarctica may seem barren, the waters beneath the ice teem with life. From microscopic plankton to giant squid, a diverse array of creatures calls this icy world home. This underwater ecosystem is a marvel of adaptation and resilience. Krill are tiny crustaceans that form the base of the Antarctic food web. These shrimp-like creatures are a vital food source for penguins, seals, whales, and many other animals. They are so abundant that they can turn the water pink. Ice fish are a unique group of fish that have evolved to survive in the frigid waters of the Southern Ocean. They have anti-freeze proteins in their blood that prevent ice crystals from forming. Some species even lack red blood cells, giving them a ghostly appearance. Giant squid are one of the most elusive creatures in the ocean. These enormous invertebrates can grow up to 13 meters or 43 feet long and weigh up to a ton. They're rarely observed in the wild, but their remains have been found in the stomachs of sperm whales. Section 8. A changing landscape. Antarctica is a continent on the move. Climate change is causing the ice sheet to melt at an alarming rate, leading to rising sea levels and threatening coastal communities around the world. The impacts of these changes are already being felt. The melting of the Antarctic ice sheet is a complex process. As temperatures rise, the ice melts from above and below. Warmer ocean water is also melting the ice shelves from beneath, causing them to thin and break apart. The loss of ice in Antarctica is having a profound impact on the continent's wildlife. Penguins, seals, and other animals that rely on sea ice for breeding and foraging are losing their habitat. Changes in ocean currents and temperatures are also affecting the availability of krill, a vital food source for many species. The melting of the Antarctic ice sheet is a stark reminder of the urgent need to address climate change. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is essential to slowing the rate of warming and protecting this fragile ecosystem. Section 9. Guardians of the Antarctic. Antarctica is a continent protected by international treaty. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, designates the continent as a natural reserve, dedicated to peace and science. It prohibits military activity, mineral exploitation, and nuclear testing. The treaty also promotes international cooperation in scientific research. Scientists from around the world work together to study the continent's environment, climate, and wildlife. Their findings are essential for understanding the planet and the impacts of human activity. Preserving Antarctica is crucial for the health of the planet. The continent plays a vital role in regulating global climate, ocean currents, and sea levels. Protecting its unique ecosystem is essential for the survival of countless species. As stewards of this pristine continent, we have a responsibility to protect it for future generations. By supporting sustainable practices, reducing our environmental impact, and advocating for policies that address climate change, we can help ensure that Antarctica remains a place of wonder and discovery for centuries to come.